second online class. In the first class, we studied about the system of numeration. We discussed that in this class, we have to study two systems of numeration, Hindu-Arabic system and international system. So we are starting with Hindu-Arabic system. This is the same system of numeration that you studied in class 4th also, okay? But in class 4th, you studied only up to lakhs period. And this year, one more period is introduced, that is crores period. So let us once recall what we studied in the previous class. Okay? This is Hindu-Arabic system. In this system we have 4 periods. These all are periods. Okay? These all are periods. From the right side, the first period is ones period. Then second period is thousands period. Next is lakhs period. And then crores period. Okay? Ones period is divided into 3 places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Thousands period is divided into 2 places. Thousands and 10,000s place. Lakhs period is divided also, this also is divided into 2 places. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores period is also divided into 2 places. Crores place and 10 crores place. Okay? Only in ones period we have 3 places and in other periods we have 2 places. Okay? Now if any number is given to you, then first of all you should put commas. If you put commas to separate the periods, then it will be very easy for you to read the number and write the number name. Okay? Now see, first period has 3 places. Okay? So we will count 3 places from the right side. 1, 2, 3. And put comma here. So this is the first period from the right, that is ones period. Then second period has 2 places. So we will count now 2 places only. 1, 2 and put comma. Again this lakhs period also has 2 places. So we will count 2 places. 1, 2 and put comma. And then again 2 places are left. So this first period is ones period. Second period, which contains 2 digits, is thousands period. Third period also contains 2 digits and it is lakhs period. And this fourth period is crores period. Now if we have to read the number or we have to write its number name, then how we will write it? 60. And 60 is in which period? Crores period. So we will write 60 crore. Then 24 lakh. 97,105. Okay? First we have to read the number, whatever is given, and then speak the period to which it belongs. Okay? Now see one more example. Suppose we have the number. This is the number. Again same method will be there. And now you should learn, you should not be seeing the chart again and again. You should know that which period should have how many places. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Okay? 3 places, 2 places, 2 places, 2 places. Sometimes it may happen that in the period with which we are starting, in that it can be only 1 digit. So there is no problem. Okay? The period from which we are starting can have 1 digit also, but here the digits should be according to the chart, because here if only 4 is there, we can write 04 and 04 and 4 are same. Okay? Now see, this is ones period. You don't need to write it again and again. This is just to explain I am writing. This is thousands period, this is lakhs period and this is crores period. So how to read it? 4 crore 17 lakh 85,211. Okay? So if any number is given to you and you have to write its number name, then you should first of all put commas and then you can write it. Okay? Now let us see exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, questions are given based on numerals and number names and successor and predecessor. So we will discuss one by one. Okay? All of you should have your book with you. Whenever you are in maths class, you should have your book. Now see exercise 1.1. Question 1 is, put commas between periods and write the numbers in words. Okay? So question number 1 is put commas. I am writing the question in short. Put commas and write the numbers in words. Now here in this question, how many? 8 parts are there. So out of 8, I am explaining you 2 parts and remaining parts you should try yourselves. Okay? See first one. It is 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1, 8. This is not the correct way of reading. Okay? Now how to read it? By putting commas. We will first to separate the periods and then we will write the number name. Okay? We know now. We don't need to see the chart. First period 3 places, then 2, then 2 and then 2 again. So 1, 2, 3. We will put comma here. In the number only you can put comma, or if you want you can write it one more time. Or in the given number only you can put. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. Okay? Now this is ones period, thousands period and this is lakhs period. Now how to write the number name? We have to write in words. That means we have to write its number name. So number name will be written as, this is lakhs period. So 23 lakh, we have to write in word form. Write the spellings of all. 23 lakh. Then 54,000. Spellings must be correct. 54,000. And then we have 618. So we will write 618. So this is the way to write the number name. First put the commas and then write the number into the form of words. Okay? See one more. Now I am doing even. See, even is this is the number. Okay? Same method again. First put the commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. Now this is ones period. If you want you can write in short to understand it. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period and this is crores period. Now we can write the number in words. So its number name will be 24 crore. It is 24 crore. No need of putting any commas in between. Then 28 lakh. 28 lakh. Then 32,000. 32 is in thousands period. So we are writing 32,000. And then we have 707. 707. Okay? So this is how to write the number names. Understood? So question 1 remaining parts you can do in this way. 2 parts I have explained you. Now we are coming to question number 2. Okay, now we are starting question 2. Question 2 is write the numbers for the following. Now your number name is given, means word form is given and we have to write the numeral for it. Okay. Now here same thing we have to keep in mind. That crores period should have 2 places. Lakhs period will have 2 places. Thousands period will have 2 places. And ones period will have 3 places. Understood? If less digits are given, then we will put zeros. Okay. Now see, first is 8 crore. In crores period, what is given here? 8. So we will start with 8. Crores period is over, put comma. Then 29 lakh. In lakhs period, what we have? 29. 2 digits are there. So okay. Here only 1 digit is given. I told you that in the starting period, if only 1 digit is there, there is no problem. Okay. So 29 lakh is over. Now 10,000. In thousands period what we have? 10. 2 digits are there. So we can write it. And then we have 110. So 110. This is the numeral. This is E1 I had done. Now see F1. 80 crore. In crores period we have 80. 80. So we can write 80. Crores period is over. Put comma. Then we have 60,000. Now see. After crore period. On the right side of crore period. Which period should come? Lakhs period. Crores period and then lakh period should come. But here in this number name lakhs period is not given. If not given, then we have to put 2 zeros here. Okay? If you don't put 2 zeros, the numeral is completely wrong. Lakhs period is not given, so we have to put 2 zeros. This is very important and this is the place where mistakes are committed. Okay? So 2 zeros. Then thousands period we have 60. 60 we will write. 2 digits are there. And then we have 299. So 299. Okay. Now see H1. 49 crore 400. Okay. 49 crore. Crores period we have 49. So I am writing here 49. Crores period is over. After crores period we should have lakhs period. But here also lakhs period is not given. So we will put 2 zeros. 2 places are there. So 2 zeros should come. Okay. After lakhs period we should have thousands period. Thousands period is also not given here. So at thousands period also we will put 2 zeros. Without these zeros the number is wrong. Okay. Thousands period is also not given. So we have put 2 zeros. And then we have 400. In ones period we have 400. So put comma and write 400. This is 400. Understood? Okay. So 3 parts of question number 2 we have done. And we have done question 1 also in which we learned how to write the number names. So this is today's work that we have done. In the next video we will solve the remaining questions of this exercise. Okay, and remaining parts of these 2 questions you must try at home.